Alright guys, what's going on? So you guys already know we have the 2014 M235i here. Just picked up some beautiful carbon fiber mirror caps. So we're gonna get that done, show you guys how to do it. Alright, so first you're gonna have to remove, I already did remove my mirror here, so it just was a little bit easier. So all you're actually gonna have to do is push it to the side, and I wasn't able to fit my hands in there. So I just grabbed a small pry tool like this, put it in the side, and popped it out. Just be careful with it, and everything should come off no problem. Alright guys, so I just try to get a light here, but so you guys can see, there's 1, 2, and 3 just little tabs you just gotta pry open. There it is. I'm sure you don't know if you guys can see it, but one just got popped back in, so you just gotta slide them out and slowly pop. Not one broke, so you guys will be all good. Just make sure you line it up right with all the holes and just give it a nice snapping. And just to make sure 1, 2, and 3 are all clipped in, so you guys are good.
Rusty catch a shit be famous. Got to move low key with the gangsters. Do what you do, girl, flex with your gang. Let's call the